Okay, what we've got here is using Google Sheets. I've just used this to put together a sentence builder for this particular unit on eating and drinking at home. You can see it's really, really simple. Down over here, I've got my pronoun structures that I want to do, bearing in mind that this is for year 7. I'm thinking around term 1, week 7 of term 1, perhaps when they've started their 100 hours. I'll be looking only at first, second, and third person pronouns to start with, even though there's some irregular verbs in here. By just keeping it to 2 verbs and using colour to distinguish which one is which, it should keep things fairly clear. Some adverbs as we go along. These then are our key vocab items that we've identified right at the start of the unit. As the students' vocab increases with this, because this is food and drink items, obviously there's masses that they can include. They could just simply build on down here. Okay, so as you've shared this with your class, they should make this their own, and they can add to it as much as they wish. Having this as a little structure, as a template, if anything, is a good idea, because when your next units come up, you can clear the contents from each of the cells and just carry on making the same types of sentence builders as you go along. The other thing is you can have using all of this down here to create your own little sentences if you wish, little gap fill perhaps, or sequencing exercises, that type of thing. So it's really simple, but it works really easily. So that is using Google Sheets to come up with your sentence builders. Usually, because it's such tight control over those structures, I'd be looking at the beginning of the intermediate phase with this, so that they're going to start getting practice using the structures as they are intended. Okay, hope that helps.